Foot, leg, and back pain are really common today, and one of the reasons is the insole that's actually inside your shoe. Most insoles aren't engineered very well, and with all the insoles in the marketplace today, how do you know which is the right one to choose? An insole has a couple jobs. It basically needs to cushion, it needs to support, but most importantly, it needs to match the shape of your foot. And the problem is that just no two feet are alike. The arch is actually the greatest variation in change from the left foot to the right, but also from person to person. So really what you want is an insole that's going to match the shape of your particular foot. The challenge is today, all these insoles are engineered like your feet are the same and the same as everybody else. And that's just not right. Let me introduce you to the revolutionary Z-Fit. It's a patented customizable arch insole. It comes with 3 levels of arches, a green which is low, an orange which is medium, and a red which is high. So it's preloaded with the medium, and so if you need less arch support, you just peel that one off and put on the green. And if you need more arch support, you peel that one off and put on the red. It's just that simple. And so if you do that, what ends up happening is you get a much better fit inside your shoe, much more comfortable, less pain, and much less susceptibility to things like plantar fasciitis and heel spurs. The other great thing about the Z-Fit insoles is they're super lightweight, they're very breathable, and they're a little thicker than most insoles to give you a little more support inside your shoe. The Z-Fit insoles will be the healthiest investments you make in your feet and body. Try it for 30 days, risk-free, and if you're not amazed, return it for a full refund. And take advantage of our free shipping.